Good Sunday afternoon, everybody. Come on in. It's time to get Sunday dinner going, y'all. So I'm getting ready to start a real simple meal here today. I'm going to be cooking some stir-fried chicken breast and thigh meat together. I'm going to stir-fry it, and I'm going to put lots of veggies in it, and we're going to serve it over some yellow rice, and I'm going to do string beans and baked sweet potatoes, and we'll probably throw some rolls in the oven. That's going to get it for today because I want it short and sweet. It's hot today. I'm not out there in the yard on the grill, but what I'm going to cook is going to be just as good. So hope you all are having a God bless Sunday afternoon, and I hope also that you got something good going on. Again, as always, thank you all for your well wishes, your comments, compliments, and your encouragement. So without further ado, I got to get over here on this food and get it going because that flavor train will be pulling in here in about an hour and a half because this meal is going to take, it probably is about an hour and 15 minutes start to finish to get it cooked. So y'all hang in there and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to go ahead and get my peppers and onions. I know that they're ready. So we're going to put them right back in the pan. Took them out of. Okay. Yeah, they got a nice little sizzle on them. Got a little bit browner now. I think I'm gonna let these let the chicken cook on its own. So I'm going to rinse that pan out a little bit. Hang on just a sec. Okay, I got the peppers and onions out now, so they're okay. Hold on just a minute. As you can see, I got the chicken on stir frying. It's got a little bit of juice in, and that's good. Well, you have to turn the other way, Kylie. Get back that way and I'll let you say hey. Here, Kylie's here. When they came in the door, you know I had to stop and do snacks. Y'all know that, right?
Don't forget about me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now Rick's here too. This is the graduation fella. He graduated from preschool to kindergarten. So, congratulations, Rick. I'm going to send y'all some pictures of him and Man later. Oh, TJ. They came in here thirsty and ready to eat ice cream, so y'all know how that would go. Okay, so I put some, I added some stir fry. This is good. This is by Food Line, and it's really, really, really good, y'all. So what I'm going to do with this stir fry, just going to let it cook, because you know that meat has to cook until it's done. It's going to take about 20 minutes for it to cook. And then I'll take the lid off, and let it simmer. And let those seasonings cook through it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put my veggies in. Put the veggies in. There we go. And that makes for a nice full pan stir-fried chicken. And it's going to be really, really good when, you know, with that jasmine rice. I'm turning that heat down. And this is going to be Sunday dinner. This is the main entree for Sunday dinner. And of course, I've got those nice baked potatoes. We're going to make a syrup to put over them. It's going to be a real interesting, different dinner, different kind of dinner. Kind of a little healthy and a little bit of a lightweight dinner today.
Can I get a spoon, please?
You most certainly can. If you hang on 1 second, Gigi will hand you one. I'll get you one right out of the drawer. Okay. I think that's mixed in pretty good, y'all. Yes, sir. They start calling her. You know when they come in here, they start. Do you see the TV changer? Of course, they have to have a spoon for their ice cream. Let's find another spoon. Okay, we'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is Sunday dinner. This is stir-fried chicken and vegetables to be served over the yellow rice, green beans on the back burner, and those nice baked sweet potatoes. We're going to cut them open and pour either, well, we'll see if they just want brown sugar and cinnamon, or I might make a little bit of a sauce to pour over them. But, honey, this is it, y'all. Short, sweet, and to the point, and delicious. So, listen, guys. Thank y'all for tuning in. I know this was a short one, but it's hot in this kitchen today, and I wasn't planning on doing a whole lot. So here we are. Here it is. This is going to be Sunday dinner. Real quick, easy, and can have this on the table in about an hour to an hour and a half. So y'all think about it. You can have it any day of the week. Sunday dinner, Monday dinner, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday dinner. It doesn't matter. It'll serve up any day of the week. So we got these holidays coming up. We just coming off of holidays with all that heavy meat and all that. So I just thought something a little bit lighter today. Okay? So listen, guys, thank y'all for your love, for your expressions of gratitude, and for always keeping up with my family and encouraging me. Thank you for your prayers. And thank you most of all for praying without ceasing and for keeping those prayers going up. And I know some of y'all out there reconciling those differences so that your family life can be even better, and that you're praying for each other, doing kind things to each other, saying kind words, texts, phone calls, letters, cards, whatever way it takes. So just be kind to somebody. Like this little one here wants to give me a hug. She gives me hugs all day long. Give me a hug. Love you. She does this we do this all day long. So I love that. Makes me feel good. So anyway, guys, keep those prayers going up now so the blessings will continue to come down. Continue to pray without ceasing. And please, please, please make good memory with your families, whatever day of the week it is. Anything that you got, break bread with them, have a cool glass of lemonade. Oh, I've got an ice cream freezer, so next Sunday we'll probably break it out and do some ice cream freezer. So listen, guys, until I decide to cook again, I'm going to have to leave it with you and say toodaloo. I love you. Take care now. Keep those prayers going up. Toodaloo. Kylie's saying bye-bye. Okay. There we go, y'all. Toodles. Okay, y'all, I forgot to do the sauce for the sweet potatoes, so y'all know me. I'm going to go back and do it now. This is sour cream and brown sugar. And y'all know what else? This is a new invention, so you saw it first here. So we're going to go ahead and just mix about a half a cup of brown sugar and a fourth of a cup of sour cream. And I'm going to put a little bit of cream in there and a little bit of vanilla. And I'm not going to put it on the potatoes. I'm just going to let it, if anybody wants something, they can just drizzle it. I put butter in those sweet potatoes. They're out of the oven now. So, let me see. We're going over to the stove. Over to the stove. The sweet potatoes are out of the oven, and it's going to be like a little bit of a cream sauce to go over these potatoes. Just a little bit of something extra, give something a little sweet thing. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the rest of my little drizzle that's going to go on those sweet potatoes. It's brown sugar, vanilla flavor, and sour cream. Real simple. Just mix it to taste and then drizzle it. I'm going to throw it in the microwave, though, and let it bubble a few times, and then it's going to be ready to go over these sweet potatoes. So, hold on. Here, there's the sauce all mixed up. We're going to throw it in the microwave for about 5 minutes, let it bubble a couple times, and in that bowl, and we'll be ready to drizzle. Hang on. Okay, y'all, there it is. It's ready. Ready for the potatoes. Anybody that wants that drizzle, you can use this drizzle over anything. You can put it on ice cream. You can put it on cookies, cake, pies, whatever. It's almost like a caramel type of dressing, but that's what we're putting on the potatoes, y'all. And like I said, I'm gonna let anybody that wants to do they can do their own individual. I'm not gonna put it on for them. Somebody might not want the drizzle on their potatoes. So anyway, y'all, saying bye-bye again to y'all. Hope everything's going well. Hope you're getting ready to get your food on the table, as I am here shortly. And as a special added attraction, some of my adopted children are here. Hopefully you've checked them out on YouTube. They're called All About the Bank. So I'm going to get you a little glimmer of them, and we're going to get this show on the road, get this dinner started, and sit down, relax, and enjoy. Okay, y'all, we're ending this video out today on a great note. These are some more of my adopted children. These are my children. Don't you see how they look just like me? These are my children we have not seen in a while. We're just excited. You know what? I give God the glory because we've been talking about this all year long on this, about getting back together with our family and friends. And y'all know family and friends is my middle name. So I got my children all back headed this way. So we get ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy this meal. So listen, guys, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. And remember to pray without ceasing. Do something good for somebody. Send them a note, a card, a phone call, or a surprise visit. I told y'all visits work too in the flesh. So also one of the really important things about these two, stop Tanya, I see you back there. She want me to cut it, but I'm not.
No, I'm hoping you say the name of their channel.
Give me time, like I had to tell that boy this morning that Wendy's boy, don't cut me off when I'm talking. No, I'm kidding. Y'all don't mind me. Anywho, this is Dwayne and Belinda Banks. Remember, I asked you all to go over to their channel and check them out. All About the Banks in the flesh. Please continue to go over and support their channel and share with them. So if you want to go on a trip across America, go over and see All About the Banks, because they go all over the place, and they do a lot of other things. So anyway, just look for great things from them, great places that they're going to visit. So again, y'all, love you all. Thank you for your comments, compliments, and encouragement. So until I decide to cook again now, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Toodaloo.
Wait.
Oh, Tanya, you got something to say?
And of course, for all you new people that are new to Mom's channel, y'all have seen what she prepared. So now come on over to Lady T Sensations, the flavor train, to see what we gonna eat.
Yeah. Absolutely. Don't miss out on the flavor train, because if you miss the flavor train, you miss the meal. Love you guys. Toodaloo.